Yeah, leverage nation, so catch a rockfish. You hear them there? Them the poisonous, you see me? Yeah, them look poisonous, and I just the last time we catch the last vlog, we just say poisonous, but I just guess me that guess cause them look that way there. The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. I don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And now, today we have another little fishing adventure for you guys. Today we're in Florida, you know. We're at one of the Boca inlets. And today, we're gonna see what we are catch today, man. I don't know. Yeah. So look where I go on now. You know, we love the bushes. We love to see these things. Yeah, man. You know, leverage nation. Let's see what can we do today. I know what today we have. Clear. Clear, what you say?
The big boy there. No, look on him. I call to it. Let's see what I say. Man, I spot this still. But we're there, I don't know every nation there, Boca. So we can get today. Nothing too crazy. Just a short video. You know, I think no. But you're lucky and stay tuned. Leave a like, you don't know it. How heavy.
That a leverage.
What a stop problem.
It's a fish there with a small one.
We have a fish there, but the small one them go cause problem. Look there. You can see them brothers. One nice snapper there.
Yeah, man. So today we are work with some normal bait, shrimp. Don't know. Normal shrimp bait we are using, you know. Damn, we are to leverage.
Yeah, we're there. We just check in. So we can catch phone today.
Alright. So you know leverage nation out here and see if we can ray, you know, and te. Pop. Whole heap of fish right there, so now.
Look. Call them up. See them? Look at that.
Follow it, man.
So look at what they catch one there. Until you catch one.
Yeah, man. The views.
A snapper while I go in big.
I'm a follow it, you know?
You think that chatting me so a snapper while I go in big so till you. Literally seem to keep it off like that.
Or leverage nation. We are going on the right just a bit. Maybe we'll go out this way, you see me? But right, so look different to you, like something different right so.
No, I can't just pass and go down.
Snapper, give me 2 days time and the snapper them under rock stone or something. Maybe I should have known this was
Look, see clearly. Baby shark. You see it here? Look.
Yeah. Get you, man.
catch shark on the line in the bus here.
Yeah, I see it, you know? Yeah, I see it in the corner. You see Leverage Nation. Go and do it. No, yeah man, so just check in and see where I go on, man. You don't know a thing go. We're out here, man. We see if we can catch you in luck and catch nothing. Just to keep on entertainment. You know Leverage. You know the Leverage.
I'm not dead today, I'm weak, yo. No, I don't take too long, you know.
You go up, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep on feed them baby fish at all. Because I see big fish, but it don't make no sense if I just baby fish. Round and round. But they drop a line and take it.
You feed them.
Just feed them, isn't it? Thank you.
Yeah man, so we are just got some bombs and gone boom bang right there, so. And then like we say we are move up there so and go where the big boy is at. You see me? Whole heap of wave and win up there, so, but you know our thing that man. You know the Leverage.
Okay.
Where I go?
Yeah. See? Yeah, fish with them the round, brother. I just near my fish with, brother. Watch out. Even just you know, snapper, brother. Even just in snapper, it don't make no difference.
That's it, man. That's what I got now. That's one big cap.
Yeah. This one.
Can they swim past now? Watch out, watch out.
Alright, Leverage Nation, so we decide so we are move. We are go up a wish bar, we show you up there so. And still we are going. Some fish with there on there so, but a be a small fish, so them we put little bait, them a go eat it off, you know. So just go up here so and see what we look, you know. You know man. So yeah. Big up to all new subscriber them. Big up to the one them with there already because I only make the thing possibly, you see me? Although you know by honesty still you know. We just do this for a personal thing this way like though. And yeah, if it make you know, I don't say all fishing, but don't get it confused. Right now I'm fishing I think right now, but we do a whole heap of other things if you want to check out the channel, you see me? But fishing is one of them we are the most right now in our season right now. So I want to just check in man, cause wait until thing get mad. Traveling and all of them sitting there. You see me? I'm sure now where I go on, but we're there here man. We are go up there man, you know? People are fish right there already. Go out here, so no dogs allowed on beach. Yeah man, you see me? Boy damn beach, huh? Oh yeah. Who's a green card? The man know on a green card. Who's a green card? No, I mean not. Green card, green card. Yo, I'm gonna stop get trouble, yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we are going there, say water rough already. You hear them, man? Watch them, man. Oh, look, why? Trouble the water, so man. Rough. Rough waters. Let's see what luck we have though. Watch them, man. Rough water, my boy. Think I can catch something in rough water, yeah?
I don't know if fishing there never can get.
Hear the boss said though. Alright. Let's check in and see where I go on. Out here so rough. Sun a shine. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Yeah, man. Swear that, man, you know. Oi. Bring him out there, boss. You want to take him out?
Take him out. Take him out. Let him go. Let him go.
Well, the first small one. What do you think I go on to the okay?
So that's cool, you know, my boy. Water rough. But we'll see how it goes.
That is it, man. We're out here.
Water rough, dog. We'll see what can go on here.
Today is a rough day, but let's see. Remember, forget a like, you know. Yeah, man.
Water go with me up now. Have an idea.
Yo, I want you to hook him.
Yeah, I use him as a bait in the dog.
Use him as bait, man.
Yeah, man, I put him on where big fish them then I go. Yeah, I have an idea. I use him as a bait and you see him wiggle wiggle. Come here.
Catch another one. I'll be a ticky way I catch today. You call that one a ticky day. How are this?
I see him doing okay.
Yes, I. Water splash up. Better use them as bait and fling them out.
You see how much there is up? Jan?
You never re-hook him.
Eh?
Really?
I'm sure so you will re-hook him. I do gonna shoot him so up the weight.
You see that swing fast, you see them attack it? Watch out, that's it.
Lonely won't let me fall in love. Why do I seem to be? Asha, you want them copyright me for this song? Got up inside a tree. All my life. It's always been my shadow with me.
Ooh.
But over my shoulder there.
Windy a freak. Oh, let's say I want to catch. Catch something? You catch something?
Rockfish.
Oh, rockfish again. Oh, they're poison.
So we were right.
Right?
We were right last time. And poisonous free.
One more rockfish. Leverage nation. Yeah, leverage nation, so catch a rockfish. You hear them there? Them the poisonous, you see me? Yeah, them look poisonous, and not just the last time we catch the last vlog, we just say poisonous, but I just guess me that guess cause them look that way there. Yeah, we're out here. I'll be a ticky. Look like I just one of them there today, but not part of leverage sometime. But we're not call it too early, you know?
You will have to pick that part, my dog. Yes. The parents watch the vlog. serious, watch the vlog. And I'm and them watch together. You know what I'm gonna look? If I'm in front of the TV hit with them, and then hear about that chip and turn around and they look for me. Now.
Yeah, give me this one.
That's all.
Come, bite it in all your you know. Dog, that's a food. It even feel nothing, you know? Yo, we're abandoned them bait and gone in there, man. That makes sense.
Oh, they're rough.
You know, all that bad, that make a kid me.
Oh,
Some big mangrove.
throw it out there, man. Yes, so Leverage Nation, that was it. Today was an okay day, not great day. No catch, damn catch rockfish, poisonous. And we catch some little ticky, but you don't know. Part of Leverage. Yeah, man. So,
I don't catch nothing. Not even one. Wait, me catch something? I'm gonna catch nothing. I'm not catch nothing. I like my hook is something in my belly.
yeah, ticky.
Ticky.
And ticky that use a bait and come out, but a part of Leverage, you know? So, let's check in. Until next time, we're out here. Leverage. Damn, you have anything to say, Dan?
Like, share, comment, and subscribe to leverageboss TV. Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe to Leverageboss TV. Damn, not catch your market, but a part of it, you see me? Until next time, Leverage Nation, you know the leverage. We're out.